It's that one right there.
He almost got eaten by a snake. Today, what are you gonna do?
Catch lizards.
What are you gonna do?
Help him.
What are you gonna do?
Look at them.
So you're gonna look at them? What about you?
We're going to
Oh, you're getting all
record
shy.
what blue jays and squirrels eat.
Okay. How about you?
I'm gonna help Jackson. I'm gonna help Jackson catch lizard, and I'm gonna make a nature bracelet.
Step one for making a nature bracelet. Get some duct tape. Sticky side out.
How did you do that?
Now you go find stuff in nature and stick it to it.
Watch out, everything else will stick to it also. Got your bracelet?
What if you would accidentally stick a lizard to it?
Whoops.
Okay, Sierra's done with her nature bracelet. Let's see it. You got dogs and cats. Very nature-y. Alright, we're supposed to go outside and get things outside from nature. But that's cool too. I like it.
My bracelet.
Alright, let's see your bracelet. That was pretty quick. There you go.
This is my bracelet. Nature bracelet.
Oh wow, look at Autumn's bracelet.
Yeah, she got fancy.
Rocks and all.
Rocks.
Don't drop anything inside.
We're
If
gonna
you
be feather
flip it over,
collectors
the
today.
rocks will fall off.
We're gonna be feather collectors today.
Feather collectors.
Feather collecting club.
Alright, do you want to show me how you catch a lizard? Oh, you were. So I guess Jackson already caught 2 lizards. Tell the viewers about what you saw when you caught the one lizard.
Oh yeah.
Come here.
Oh yeah. Was it the fat one? Was it the fat one?
It's that one right there.
He almost got eaten by a snake. His
Yeah.
head was in the snake's mouth.
Yeah. So I was trying to catch it, and it was running away, and then it went under a rock. So then I flipped it over the rock, and it started like struggling, and then I looked closer, and the snake had grabbed its head and
then-
started eating it. So then I poked it with a stick.
The snake.
The snake, and then I saved it, and then we
Nice.
caught it.
Alright, now you saved him. Now he's in captivity.
He's healing.
Yep.
Alright, let's get him some grasshoppers then.
Over here. Right there.
Just play on the play set and the slides. More blue jay feathers and a blue jay. Ooh, pretty.
Look at this. I know. That's probably the one that nature is so beautiful. There's another feather.
Ooh, that one's really blue.
Yeah. I know.
Let me see.
It's like it's bluer in the white.
Cool. What'd you catch? What'd you catch?
Grasshopper. Right there. Grasshopper!
Are you gonna feed it to the lizards?
Yep. Right there.
Here it is.
Let's go
Where's
get
the
some
lizards?
lizards.
Where are the lizards?
It's right there. It's still alive.
Where are the lizards?
That's one right there. Eat it.
It's coming towards it.
Yeah.
Come on, lizard. There's a grasshopper right there.
He'll probably eat it later. He's probably not hungry.
Yeah. Maybe the fat one is right now. I mean, because he's injured. Well, probably.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. Autumn, you know another fun thing to do in nature is you look up and you find cool looking clouds.
There is no cloud.
Oh, no clouds. Perfect blue sky. Hey Sarah, what's your favorite thing to do in nature?
Oh, gosh. Listen to the wind in the trees. I do like that. I like to sit in a hammock and listen to the wind blow through the trees.
You just like stare up at the trees. You swing back and forth.
Look at that tree, how it's like it looks like 2 of them grew together at the bottom and they're stuck together right there and then they're stuck
Weird. For a pine tree.
What I love about nature is you can jump off.
They caught another lizard.
Yeah, I'm the one that actually found it.
She found it. I made it go towards Jackson, and Jackson caught it.
Another little one. That's even a littler.
Yeah, Lacey helped a lot.
Bluebelly.
The key of finding a lizard is being patient and scanning your area very carefully.
I know. Everyone's surrounded.
Whoa!
Oh, look at that beetle.
There's two!
Look at that beetle, guys.
Oh, wow! Got it! What? Right there! Don't catch it like that! When does it belong?
Oh, where'd that beetle go?
Not really.
It was freaky looking.
Got another one.
Hooray!
Got him.
Run away.
Jackson's pro lizard catcher.
I just shoot it towards. Did you catch it? No, let me get up here. I can catch them actually. Okay, it's somewhere up here. It's somewhere over here. Oh, here it is. There on this tree.
Oh, there it is! There it is!
Here, I'm shooting it towards you. Okay, get it up.
Oh, there it is!
Get it, Lace. You got a dart at it.
Oh, it went under there!
Yeah, that's probably impossible then. No, move. I can get it. Shelly, move. Give me this. Move, Rochelle.
Stop it!
I have something to get him.
You're gonna hurt it. I'm gonna get scared. Where is it? It's under here. I can't see it. You're gonna hurt it like that. Let's see. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. We know. We're gonna do this one now.
You guys gotta catch it.
Well, they won't let me. They won't let me.
Why? Grab it. When it comes out, grab it.
This makes it scared and makes it want to go out. I'm just gonna look for a different one.
Alright, you guys don't have to catch anymore.
No, we want to.
Look, it's so tiny though. It's so small.
So there's 4 lizards
5 lizards, I think.
and the horny toad.
One's hiding under a rock or something.
Dude, Jax, you guys are. Did you catch all of them or did somebody else catch any of them?
Papa Dad caught one. I caught all of the rest.
I like this one.
Oh, that one's a jumper.
Yeah, they all like to jump. Actually, it only
Except for,
might
of
be
course,
4
the
lizards.
Did the grasshopper get eaten?
Probably. Or it escaped.
I think it got eaten because you injured it pretty bad.
He's on the porch. Oh, he. There goes Chase.
Oh, crap.
Time to free him.
No, that's not pee.
Are you gonna free him now or later?
That's water.
Yeah, we'll free them.
Time to free the lizards so they can go home to their moms.
4, Jackson, or 3? I caught 4, yeah. Papa Dad caught 1, and then I caught. Oh, and I also caught a horny toad.
Right there with this horny toad.
Is it dead?
Rochelle, do you know what kind of tree this is? Hey, don't hold my still.
No, sorry.
It's an aspen.
Out of my grasp.
You could tell it's an aspen because of the way it is.
Yes. Yeah, we're gonna let them go.
Just right here?
Yeah.
Wait, you didn't catch those. You're letting them go?
Yeah, there's a lot. That's what the stuff wanted.
They go home tonight.
Did you show everybody the horny toad?
Yeah.
We'll catch them tomorrow
Wait,
again,
release
Mom,
the
it's
horny
fine.
toad. Can I do it? And we're hoping that we're gonna find that snake.
Goodbye, horny toad.
Put it with all the lizards.
Maybe they'll be friends and all live together. Do you think they're all siblings?
Maybe.
Well, not the horny toad.
Well, that one jumped up onto the top of the bush. Run, lizards. Go be free.
Horny toad just stays there.
Yeah.
Nope. He's got some sunbathing to do.
He just stays there.
Are they super easy to catch?
Yeah, they're a lot slower. Like that one,
It's just hard to find.
That one,
You just need to find them and you pretty much
the
got
last
it.
time I was trying to catch it, I just went like that and boom.
Maybe he's hurt.